Well, so the topic of the day is fire insurance in India. Hey, the insurance regulator denotified All India fire tariff in 2021. So the tariffs were dismantled in 2005, 6, 7 only. But then the notices were issued by the regulator for denotification of fire tariff. And this denotification of All India Fire Tariff 2001 for certain risks was in the reference of introduction of standard products and guidelines for dwelling, micro and small businesses. So, the process of bringing the fire and allied perils insurance business out of the ambit of the All India Fire Tariff 2001, which began in 2006-7 and 2007-8 with the de-tariffing of the pricing aspects, will stand completed with effect from 1st April 2021 for certain businesses, namely dwelling and micro level and small level enterprises. So with effect from 1st April 2021, fire and allied perils insurance for these businesses is governed by the authority's guidelines, and the guidelines prescribe standard product under the retail category for the three identified segments. So since then, insurers carry out the necessary preparatory work to transition to the new products, replacing the then current standard fire and special peril policy for the identified categories. Needless to mention, the standard fire and special peril policy is issued up to 31st March 2021. Discontinued or shall continue till the expiry of the respective policies period, at which point they shall be replaced with the new products as applicable. So the transition to the new product would entail the following steps, like creating awareness amongst the policyholders and the general public about the products, apart from communicating one-to-one as may be necessary with the policyholders. Insurers should display the products on their website with the FAQ. And thereafter, the three new policies were introduced. So in today's time, almost all businesses, big or small, should cover risk through a fire insurance policy. Because there are certain risks for which the fire insurance is must, like godown owners, industrialists and manufacturing units, traders and stocks, owners of expensive articles, shop owners, financial institutions, hotels and restaurants, they all need fire insurance. So the number of fire insurance plans for businesses available in the market today is increasing. It's increasing continuously. At present, there are three types of fire policies available in India. First one is Bharat Sukshma Udyam Suraksha. This policy provides coverage to the property for a sum insured up to 5 crore. Then Bharat Laghu Udyam Suraksha. This policy provides coverage to the property and casualty for sum insured up to 5 to 50 crores. And then Standard Fire and Special Peril Policy. This provides coverage to the property for a sum insured beyond rupees 50 crores. So the assets in fire insurance plans can be divided into two, namely fixed assets and non-fixed assets. So fixed assets would include assets like building, plant and machinery. In comparison, non-fixed assets consist of goods, stock, and other valuable items. So depending on the nature of the assets, the people can pick the type of insurance plan for business. So let us say non-fixed assets policies, first as they come under the special fire and special perils. So policies for non-fixed assets includes floater policy. This policy is ideal for goods located at different locations. However, to avail of this policy, the goods should belong to the same person. Then it is a specific policy. As the name suggests, this policy only covers the risk up to the specific sum, and it is usually lower than the asset's actual value. Then comprehensive policy. This policy covers multiple and maximum risks, making it one of the most recommended fire insurance for various businesses. Unvalued policy. The sum insured under the policy is specified at the time of purchase of the policy. Valuable policy. This means works opposite to the valued policy. This policy works opposite to the valued policy. The claim amount is decided as per the current market price of the damaged property and not at the time of purchasing the policy. And then consequential loss insurance policy. Fire can disrupt your regular business. So this policy can help cover losses suffered from this disruption. The resultant losses, the consequential losses are covered under this one. And policies for fixed assets are replacement value policy. The insurer pays the replacement value of the assets damaged due to fire or allied perils. And then reinstatement value policy. So a reinstatement value policy is similar to a replacement value policy. It is an added clause to the policy mentioned above. So the insurer replaces the damaged property to its original condition before the loss. So factors determining the choice of fire insurance plan will depend upon type of fire insurance plans available in the market. The question is, which kind of fire insurance should you buy for your business? Which one is best suited for your business? To clear this doubt, assess the factors to choose the right fire insurance plan for your business. Say for example, type of risk to be covered. So it is essential to determine what kind of risk you face and wish to cover with the fire insurance policy. For example, a floater policy can be the best choice if you have goods stored in warehouses in 2 or 3 different locations, whereas a valued policy would make more sense for assets whose value cannot be easily ascertained. Type of assets to be insured. The different assets can be covered under different fire insurance policies. You can opt for a replacement or reinstatement value policy for fixed assets. Whereas for non-fixed assets, you can opt for comprehensive, floater, valued, or anyone from the above list. Duration of the cover. Before selecting fire insurance plans for businesses, it is vital to know the period for which you need to take the coverage. So the losses in business can sometimes be inevitable, however, they can sometimes be less impactful. If the businesses are safeguarded with a proper fire insurance policy, with expected advice at every step, quick and hassle-free processes, and a dedicated team to ensure speedy claims, so the customers will go for the products because they need fire insurance. And this fire insurance is important because in India, fire related incidents are distressingly frequent, stemming from a range of causes including electrical faults and natural calamities. These calamities can inflict severe harm on both individuals and businesses, resulting in substantial financial setbacks and property destructions. So fire insurance emerges as a critical safeguard in these situations, serving as a vital financial lifeline against the devastating aftermath of fire accidents. So beyond merely offsetting immediate financial losses, it also ensures adherence to safety standards within sectors mandated to purchase fire insurance. Hence, opting for fire insurance showcases the preparedness and forward thinking of individuals and businesses, enhancing their readiness to confront the unexpected challenges posed by fire hazards. You know how fire insurance works? Fire insurance protects individuals or businesses against the financial consequences of fire-related damages. When a person or a company acquire a fire policy, they establish an agreement with an insurance provider and commit to regular premium payments to maintain coverages. Now, in the event of a fire causing harm or any fire peril causing harm or damage to the insured property, the policyholder reports the incident to the insurance company, which conducts an investigation to assess the validity of the claim. If the claim is consistent with the policy terms, the insurance company issues compensation to cover the financial losses resulting from the fire. So fire insurance is important for everyone because fire insurance is essential for businesses of all sizes and industries. Any businesses that owns or leases property, whether it is an office, building, retail store, manufacturing facility, or warehouse, should consider purchasing a fire insurance. Businesses that store valuable inventory, equipment, or machinery on their premises should also invest in a fire policy to protect against the financial losses that could result from fire-related incidents. So furthermore, businesses located in areas prone to natural disasters or with a history of fire incidents should prioritize obtaining property insurance to reduce risk effectively. Ultimately, any business owner who wants to safeguard their assets, ensures business continuity, and protect against potential financial liabilities should seriously consider purchasing commercial fire insurance. Because the features of a fire insurance policy includes fire insurance offers coverage against fire incidents that provide various types of property from fire damages. The insured receives a reimbursement for repair or replacement cost. Coverage limits can be tailored to specific needs, and the business interruption coverage compensates for lost income also if it is taken along with the fire policy. So, as far as commercial entities are concerned, these policies like External Fire and Special Permit Policy, Bharat Sukshma Udyam Suraksha, Bharat Laghu Udyam Suraksha, they are always available. With all the general insurers, anybody can buy from them. Because covering a wide range of perils, it is often termed as External Fire and Special Permit Policy, is also known as SFSP. In this policy, only 12 perils are there, but in other two policies, 14 perils will be there. So the coverage is increasing day by day. and all the decisions taken are in the interest of the policyholders. So this is all about the fire insurance. Thank you.